Today we will explain about the concatenate function of the Excel. It is called a text joining function of Excel. We can join two or more text to make a sentences in the Excel. The two or more text should be in the different cell. Then we put the concatenate function to bring them in what to bring them as to make a sentence one sentences. Let's see an examples. Ram, Sam, Hori, Ram, Sam and Hori are the student. These are the text in the different cell. We make one sentences by joining these cells by applying the concatenate function. Uh, we we will show this function in this video. Ram, Sam, Hori are the students. We join them by applying the concatenate function. Concatenate, comma, concatenate bracket, text 1, comma, text 2, comma, text 3, comma, text 4, and so on. If we want to put the spaces in among the sentences, we select the cells and put them as spaces in the beginning cell. Then automatically the text joining cell will have the spaces among them. We provide you the next example. The example is the fox jumps over the dog. We join these different cells in one sentences by using concatenate function. Concatenate bracket, text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4, and text 5. After joining them, we make a sentences by using concatenate function. If we want to put the spaces among or between the sentence between the words, we put a spaces in the beginning cell from where we we receive words. Thank you.